Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on BitTorrent. As in my earlier videos, I have been showing you two breakouts from different falling wedges. One was happened on the daily time frame chart. That was the most recent one. And before that, it also broke out another falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. This was the most recent breakout. And you can see that after the breakout from this wedge pattern, the price has rallied very well. And we have also broken out a quite strong resistance zone that starts from 108 and goes to 115. Previously, it was working as a resistance here, and after the breakout, it was flipped into a very strong support. And after several days, the price then broke down the support here. And since we broke it down in the month of January, in the first week of January 2024, since then it was working as a very strong resistance. You can see we got several rejections here and few more touch points here. And finally, we broke out this resistance here on the 29th of Feb 2024 and geared up very well. And we also broke out this quite long-term resistance of 156. And so far, from this low, when we were testing the support of this wedge up till this high, it has rallied more than 185%. By the way, the target for this breakout from this wedge was here at the top of the wedge at 156, and the price has rallied beyond that target. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this huge breakout from this very huge falling wedge pattern as well. In fact, when it was moving inside this wedge in those days, I've been telling you that once it will be able to break out this wedge, then we can expect a very massive rally. And so far from this though, when we were testing the support of the wedge here up till this high, you can see that it has rallied more than 511%. And we will also watch this move as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for BitTorrent. And so far, this move has produced almost 123% rally. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for BitTorrent. And that I shared, by the way, on 11th of Feb 2024. And this move was formed with Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. This was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and reached the sell target zone here. Then again, moved down inside the same potential reversal zone. And then we had a bigger pump. And so far, it has rallied almost 123%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of BitTorrent. And first of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And you can see that since after 10th of December, it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And while moving inside this wedge, we also broke down this support that starts from, this is a complete support and resistance on, by the way, starts from 108 and goes to 115. Previously, it was working as a resistance here, and now for several days, it worked as a support here. And after the breakdown, it was again flipped into a very strong resistance. We got rejections here, and here. And finally, we have broken out this resistance on after breaking out this wedge. The target for this breakout from the wedge was here at 156, but we have rallied beyond that target. Now, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this 156 has been previously breaking as a resistance here and support here, and now we have also broken out this resistance. Now the next major resistance will be here, that is at approximately at 240, and you can see that we have already broken out this quite big falling wedge pattern as well. And the target for this breakout from the wedge is here approximately between 240 to 250. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.